With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, we have to read the given statements and select the correct statements out of these. So first of all, our first statement is, fossils are remains of hard parts of life forms in rocks. Now this statement is correct. They are describing fossils correctly. Fossils are used as an evidence of evolution. We all know that evolution is an ongoing process in nature which has been taking place ever since the origin of life, and it is because of evolution that we are able to see gradual changes in all the life forms over the course of time. But if we could only observe the extant life forms, that is, those life forms which are present on Earth today, then we would not be able to find out much about the evolution that has taken place over the millions of years when the present biodiversity was not there. So these fossils which are preserved in the rocks help us to find out about the extinct life forms, and we can also observe the similarity between the extant and the extinct life forms, and therefore it is an evidence of evolution. Next, they are saying dinosaurs disappeared 65 million years ago. Now we all know that even before human beings appeared on the scene, the earth has a very vast geological history, and after the original life there were many different periods on the earth when different life forms dominated the earth. So the dinosaurs were such reptiles which were very dominant during a particular time period on the earth, but eventually they were wiped out. And even today we are not certain about the reason for this, about the reason for the extinction of the dinosaurs, but around 65 million years ago they were wiped out, and it is believed either it was due to climate change, some natural disaster, or they completely evolved into the birds. So again, this statement is also true. Next, they are saying animals called lobe fins evolved into the reptiles. Now if we talk about the higher animals, if we talk about our vertebrates, there are many groups that we are going to place in this category. We have the fishes, we have our amphibians, then come our reptiles, and finally the birds and mammals. But if we look at it from an evolutionary point of view, then out of these, the life form or the group which evolved first was the fish, because life originated in water, and when these fish came out of the water, then all of these other groups developed. So it is believed that around 350 million years ago, some fishes that had strong and stout fins developed the ability to come out of the water, and they could go back into the water. So they could also survive on land, and it is believed that from these lobe fins the amphibians developed, because the amphibians are also a similar group. They live in dual habitat, both in water and on land. So the lobe fins developed into the amphibians and not the reptiles. The reptiles came much later. So over here this statement is false. Next, they are saying study of fossils is called palaentology. So as we've already mentioned, fossils are a very important evidence of evolution. They help us to find the similarities and dissimilarities between the extinct and extant forms of life. And palaeontology is the branch or the discipline in which we study fossils. So this is also true. So over here our correct statements are 1, 2 and 4. Only statement 3 is incorrect. So our correct answer is going to be option A.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.